Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, then wallpaper. Then if you want to select one of the pre-installed wallpapers, just go to the wallpaper section, and here you have some of the preset wallpapers. You can select one of these, or you can just select one of your photos or images from the gallery by going here. Here you can select your image, here you can adjust it, and then tap set wallpaper. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.